Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download large files by pausing and resuming them using Free Download Manager. As you can see, I started downloading this file, then paused it and resumed it today. The best part? As soon as I resumed, it continued downloading at high speed from where it left off, without showing any errors. This way, you can download huge files over 2 to 3 days by simply pausing and resuming them. So let's get started with this life-saving application called Free Download Manager. First, open your browser and search for Free Download Manager. Then click on the first link that appears. You can download it directly for Windows by clicking the Download button, or you can click on Mac OS to download the .dmg file. Now let me show you how to use the Free Download Manager app to download your file. Left-click on the Download button of your file and copy the link. Then open the Free Download Manager app and click the plus Add Download icon on the upper left corner of the screen. The copied link will automatically appear there. If you want, you can change the download location by clicking on the folder icon and choosing your preferred folder. Once selected, click Download again to start downloading your file. Now you can download it by pausing and resuming anytime. Alternatively, you can add the Free Download Manager extension to your browser. This way, you don't have to copy any links, just click the download button, and it will automatically be added to Free Download Manager. Just click Download. And that's it. Your file will now download smoothly, and you can pause and resume anytime without losing progress. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech videos.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.